Who's this?
What you mean, who this? This is a top of the morning edition. Can I get a top of the morning?
Top of the morning.
That was perfect. Yeah, on that road again. On that road again. Day 2 of the vacation vlog. We out here. Got Mama Bear with me, rolling shotgun. You wanna say something to the people?
Hello, people.
Okay.
Hanging with the big boy. We rolling.
We rolling. We on our way now down to the A. See y'all in a minute, man. We got a long drive. Getting ready to step out. On the way to that goddamn, I'm gonna call it the mansion party.
Yeah.
I'm gonna call it the mansion party.
Call it what you want.
Oh yeah.
As long as you call it
As long as you call it something. Me and Cuzzo right here getting ready to slide out on the motherfucker, man.
Yep.
Ain't show out on the hater.
Yep. You know.
Yeah. Goddamn right. But yeah, we on our way to the party, man. Family and friends, you know how it go. Good times, drinks, food, can't go wrong. You know what I mean? See y'all in a minute. Now let me just prepare y'all for this. This the mansion party. A serious situation.
Shuffle with the hustle, so everybody keep it.
Top of the morning, everybody. Top of the morning. Last night was a wild one. I know I fucked up. I do that every now and again. I fuck up every now and again. Because I knew it. Yesterday in the afternoon, I was like, yo, shoot the Best Buy and get you a memory card. Your shit running low. I didn't grab the memory card. Ran out of fucking space. Right after I filmed that, what was it? The fire dancers. Like right after that, a little bit after that, my shit ran out of space, man. So I didn't even record for the rest of the night. You know what I mean? But trust me when I tell you, man, it was a wild one. But anyway, man, like I said, top of the morning, it's early. Time to get up, you know what I mean? And get on with the day. But I'm about to shoot to the gym. First thing smoking, that's what I'm about to do. So I'm about to get in here. I ain't even brushed my teeth yet. I'm about to brush my teeth, you know what I mean? Wash my goddamn face. Get down to this gym. Get a nice little workout in. You know what I'm saying, on an empty stomach, whatever. And then we gonna see what the fuck we getting into today, man. Later on. What's this? No, this day 3. Day 3 of the vacation vlog. Let's go. Hey.
A community is coming together to help pay for sending a man's body to his family in
Look like I got a mission. There's like a little something going on here. I don't fuck around.
Shocked the staff at Burns. Was a waiter there.
I'm going the wrong way. Yeah. Time to get on that move. Shit, man. It's alright out here right now. It ain't too fucking hot. Was it raining? Oh man, it's fucking raining. That ain't gonna stop nothing though. We still got to go. Dang, see that camera fogging up? Hold up. Hold up. This motherfucker. Oh. Yeah. It's that humidity. On the way to the gym, I'm gonna try this spot out. It's called, the fuck is that shit called? Oh, it's called The Gym 24/7. So I'm about to run up in there and see what that shit look like, man. See if we can't get a good workout. Yeah. In here at that gym, the 24/7 joint. Sorry, it's small, but they got what I need. I'm in here killing back right now. Woo! Last night was rough. I ain't gonna lie, I'm in here struggling right now. But it's all good. You know what I mean? Any workout is better than no workout. We're gonna do what we got to do, man. Get up out of here and go get something to eat. Yeah. Just leaving out of there, man. Got a good one. Surprisingly, it started out rough, like I said, man. I was in there struggling at first, man. After a while, though, you know, shit like riding a bike, man, it come right back, man. Had to just muster it up, you know what I mean? Weather the storm. But yeah, so now, I'm hungry as fuck. You already know. About to go grab something to eat. Before I do that, though, I gotta go to Best Buy. I gotta find me a Best Buy around here and go get me a memory card. Because I'm over here deleting old videos and shit just to make room, you know what I mean, to vlog. So, I'm about to shoot the fucking Best Buy, grab me a memory card, then grab something to eat. Zaxby's. Yeah. I guess it's like a chicken spot or something. So I'm gonna go up in here. I'm gonna go up in here and try to get me a chicken sandwich, see what they got. Yeah, so I end up getting the damn, it's fucking raining out here. I end up getting the chicken club sandwich, some unsweetened tea, man. Still kind of got to keep it kind of clean, you know what I mean? Little chicken sandwich, man. I want to say something too, man. Shout out to all that Southern hospitality, man. On some real shit. This ain't like up the way. Down here, these motherfuckers, well, not motherfuckers. Gotta watch my cussing. These people down here is actually nice. You know what I mean? They give you good customer service. You know what I mean? You know, even if they don't like their job, they acting like they like it. Up top, shit. Y'all already know how that shit go. So, dang, where I gotta go? I gotta go to Best Buy now. I'm about to shoot to Best Buy, grab that memory card, shoot back to the room, eat, shower, and keep it moving, man. Keep it on, how my boy said, how he say? Keep on keeping on. That's what we gonna do today. Shit. Yeah. Whoo. Yeah. Shit. This lady ain't get up in here and clean up this room yet. God damn. The Shit still look like a tornado hit this motherfucker, boy. God damn.
Don't be surprised. They legally blind. They don't wanna see me shine. Sign my first deal about time. Kid, I'm gonna let the world know. Go, I think your girl.
Just got to the Lenox Square Mall. Damn. This shit big as a motherfucker, man. Huge. Slide up in this Lenox Square. See what they got up in here, man. Tesla's parked outside. I just seen a Lambo pull off this motherfucker. A young black man in there. I felt good about that, you know. That let me know black people is striving down here for real. You feel me? Like I said, man, I pull up. You know what I mean? Little young nigga pull off in his Lambo. I said, yes, cuz, I respect it. I respect it. Do your thing, playboy. Do your thing. Yeah, we in here. I got the Cartier store right here. You know I got to slide up in here. No, I got to slide up in the Cardi store. ASAP. ASAP. Over here in this Lenox Square Mall. Man, this shit is so fucking big. God damn. It's like an amusement park. Word to everything. Next stop. Let me see if y'all can see that. Yeah. Gladys nice chicken and waffles. Go in here and get something to eat, man. I'm hungry now. Shit. Y'all think it's a game. Right there we got fried catfish, grit and cheese, raisin toast, and we got them goddamn chicken and waffles. Uptown, lemonade and iced tea. I'm getting ready to tear this shit all the way down. Hungry as a motherfucker right now. Get at you in a minute. Yeah, just got done coming up out of Gladys's spot. Yeah, Gladys's spot. I ain't even gonna sit here and lie. I couldn't even eat all that shit, man. I ate the catfish and the grits, and that was it. So I saved the chicken and waffles. I'm gonna just eat that tonight. After I come in the motherfucking room all drunk, that shit gonna be real good. But let me tell y'all something though, man. And I said this before to y'all. Networking, the power of networking is amazing. It's fucking amazing. You never know who the fuck you gonna meet. You know what I'm saying? So always be networking, man. Let's just say, man, going in Gladys's spot was a good look. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. I'm about to walk it off. I'm about to walk downtown for a little while, man. See what they got out here. You know what I mean? After that, I'm going to shoot back to the room. Shit, shower, shave. Probably take a little tight little power nap. And I'm going to one of these strip clubs tonight. Onyx, Magic City. One of these motherfuckers, man. You feel me? So stay tuned.
We play dirty. All these shit, they dirty. We don't fight, get murdered.
LA smoking big and pop, straight up with my bitch curvy. My shit clean, but my piss dirty. I'm done chillin', it's my time. Like 6
Sweet beat, my girl, where she gonna eat?
Love girl, got shit stirred. Fly up to NYC. Sit up back in that Knicks jersey. Hey, it's actually with the team. It's actually with the team.
Leaving out that goddamn Magic City, boy. That shit was wild and a motherfucker. Here it is on Monday. A Monday. And when I tell you that shit was wall to wall, man. I couldn't move for nothing. That shit was jam-packed. Serious situation, man. Serious. Nah. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. Just get down to the A. Get down to the A. See it for yourself, goddammit.
Fuck is going on here? She must got to come open this door. You will be right back. What the fuck you mean? Oh look. What's she on break? Look at the little. Look at this. Yes, I'm trying to get goddamn in the room. Look what I see. We'll be right back. Thank you. They got this motherfucking door here. Goddamn, the automatic shit ain't even goddamn opening. The fuck, man? I'm trying to get up in the goddamn room. Shit. My bad. All I had to do was goddamn slide my goddamn room key through the thing. I don't give a fuck. I'm drunk and hungry. Shit. It's not even my goddamn room. Fuck. God damn it. Shit. Ooh. Shit. Oh, I made it back to the goddamn room. Tired as shit, about to smash these goddamn chicken and waffles. You know what I mean? Lay it on down. Today was an eventful day, you know. We did a lot today. It's over, baby. Catch y'all later. Hold up. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? Peace up. A-Town down. God damn it. Back at it. Here back at X-Factor Fitness, man. Gotta get it in. And do a little arms today, little chest, little shoulders, man. You know, nice little upper body workout. Get this pump. Next exercise, seated shoulder press. Let's get it. Be aggressive, be explosive. Let's go. Ooh. Ooh. Ah.
Glad to be back in my city, man. Glad to be back in my town. Huh? Fresh off of vacay. Back on the strip, whatever. You know, I'm home. Woo! Telling y'all right now, I feel so rejuvenated. I feel recharged right now. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to tear this shit up, man. I'm ready to tear this shit up, man. So let's go, man. I ain't General Fitness, baby. Glad to be home.